This is OneBucket by Attimis. In this demo, we'll migrate a live S3 workload from MinIO to Dell Object Storage with 0 downtime and 0 application changes. Our starting point, applications talking S3, directly to a MinIO cluster. The live view confirms it. 5 production buckets, around 167 megabytes, served straight from MinIO. Under the hood, the namespace viewer shows every object living on MinIO and nowhere else. Dell OBS is still empty. Now we bring in OneBucket. In the Attimis console, we create a single policy covering every bucket and register MinIO as a synchronous peer, reads, writes, and deletes pass straight through. One policy, and OneBucket can speak for the entire namespace. Now the cutover. No application changes at all. One DNS update, and every S3 request flows through OneBucket to the same data on MinIO. Instantly, OneBucket projects the full MinIO namespace as its own. Same buckets, same objects, no copying, no waiting. Our application sees exactly what it saw before, the same 5 buckets. Watch the footer. The server flips from MinIO to Attimis core. That's the entire cutover. Time to migrate. Dell Object Storage becomes the active backend, and MinIO drops to read-only. New writes land on Dell. Reads fall back for data not yet moved. And here's how we do it in the console. We update the same policy. Dell OBS becomes the endpoint, and opportunistic replication is switched on. That's it. Data now flows onto Dell in the background. The applications keep working, completely unaware. OneBucket serves live traffic and migrates the data at the same time. Watch the Dell OBS column fill, bucket by bucket, while everything stays online. Telemetry, backups, images, logs, the project vault, all of it replicates in the background. Once replication completes, MinIO is retired. OneBucket now fronts Dell Object Storage alone, and the applications still haven't noticed a thing. When we're ready, OneBucket simply steps aside. One final DNS update and applications talk directly to Dell OBS, home of the complete migrated dataset. And here's the proof. Live, the same 5 buckets as the server flips from Attimis core to Dell ECS. The migration is complete, and nothing ever went down. OneBucket. Migrate storage without migrating your data. Find us at onebucket.io.